Finn's signature butt circle. And the chewing like that on the tile is new. Right on, yeah. Arr. Another butt circle. He doesn't need a sit and spin. He can do it on his own. Turtle's lucky he didn't get eaten. Where's he coming? Coming to me. Bye-bye.